Hi everyone, thanks so much for deciding to watch my video today. If you are new, welcome. My name is Maureen and I am so happy to have you here. And today's video is a new subscription service to the channel, and this company is called Rocksbox. And on their website they state that at Rocksbox, we're here to make accessorizing with jewelry fun. They make sure you find pieces you love. And this subscription is $21 a month. You receive 3 pieces of jewelry to wear on loan for as long as you like. And when you're ready to refresh your set, you just put it back in the envelope and the box inside with the prepaid label and send it back. You can refresh your set as often as you like, and you can keep your set for an unlimited time as long as you pay the $21 a month. And you do receive, if you make a purchase of any one of the pieces or all the pieces, you do receive the $21 as a credit towards the purchase. And they do also have a referral program that I think is called Forever Credit. And if you invite friends to join using my unique code, then I would receive a $25 referral code. And I will list my code and their website down in the description box. And you know, if you decide you want to join, that's fine. There's no pressure to do any of that. That's just in case. So here is the Rocksbox, big R, you know, your label. And take that out. And then it comes, pretty box. So it comes in a nice box with a pretty ribbon. So we will untie this. Oops. So the presentation is very, very nice. Box is beautiful. So we'll just put that down. So we get paperwork, time to shine, tells you what's inside. So we won't look at that right now. They send a little care card on how to care for your jewelry. That's nice. Excuse me. And then this is just like a little welcome since I just joined. Just explains about your first box and gives you, further information, which is good. And then, comes nicely packaged. You can see everything comes in nice little bags. Very, very pretty. Try not to destroy this. I'll just put that back here. And then here's the return label that you're going to need. So the first bag, the brand is Rudiment. Let's open this up. Okay. Oh, they have it knotted. How are you supposed to get into that? Hopefully I can get it out. Okay. So the first item that I picked is a bracelet. And there is some glare on it, so hopefully. So let's put it on and see. And I think they have different size bracelets. I'm really not sure. I just stabbed myself putting that on. So that's pretty. Just trying to give you a better shot at it. That's very pretty. So that's the first piece. The second piece is also from a company called Rudiment. Oh, let me tell you, there's prices. And these are items that I put like on a wish list, which you can do so that they pick items that you have already stated that you like. And you do get an email with them. I think you can get a sneak peek as to what items they're going to send you. And I do believe the earrings they were going to send me, I wasn't crazy about, so I had switched them out. So they sent me, what I chose, which is very, very nice. And this bracelet is called Aster, and it's a Briere cuff in gold, and the member price is $46. So let's open this one up, which is the second one. And everything is in nice bubble wrap and nice bags, and so these are earrings, and they are so small, and they looked a lot bigger in the picture, so that's a little deceiving. They are beautiful. I mean, this one has colored stones, and I think this one is the clear. Let me just see if I can get a good shot of these. I don't want to take them off because they're so tiny. I mean, you can see. So these are very, very tiny. Like I said, the picture showed them. It made them, you know, obviously when they're taking shots, they're blowing them up. So they looked a lot bigger to me. I mean, these are cute if you like small earrings, just something, you know, in your ear. I'm not sure how I feel about them for the size. So I'm just trying to show you. But these are pretty. I mean, no doubt about that. Like I said, just a little bit small. And the third piece I chose is from Kate Spade. Oh, those earrings. The earrings are Rudiment. These are Sonoma Huggy Pack. So you get both pairs, and their price is $59. So then the Kate Spade, I think, is a necklace. Yes. So comes nicely in a bag. Let's see if we can get this open. And you'll hear my dog playing in the background. She's active. So this says, I'm trying to so you can see, it says love. And that's really pretty, dainty. And it has the adjustments. And then there is a little gem on that. Let me see if I can show you this a little bit better. I did buy a little tiny stand so that you can see, and that's still the glare that's on that. It says love. I mean, it's very, very pretty. I'm not complaining about that. And that is the Kate Spade Love Pendant in gold, and that has a value of $68. So the total at my member price would be $173 to keep all pieces. My monthly credit of $21 would come off, and if I buy all three, you get a discount, so I would save $10. And, oh, then I would pay $142 if I wanted to keep 2 pairs of earrings, the necklace, and the cuff. So that's not too bad. So it just, you know, oh, God, sorry. So it just tells you, you know, you wear your pieces for as long as you'd like, buy what you love, and send back what you don't, and then you would get more items. So that's pretty neat. Like I said, this is the first time I've tried this subscription. I will give some of these pieces a try. I mean, obviously, I don't know how well, you know, like for bracelets and necklace, I'm not too concerned. I will, if I decide to try the earrings, you know, obviously I will clean them before I put them in my ear. I don't know what the company does on their end, but just as a precaution, I will do it. But like I said, these are very small. I thought they would be a little bit bigger, so that's slightly disappointing, but other than that, I'm happy with this so far. And this is, like I said, the first box from them. So I will let you know if I decide to keep any of these pieces. I mean, I do love the necklace. The bracelet, I do like that too. So remember to like this video, share with all your friends, leave me a comment, and most importantly, subscribe. Subscribing is free for you and means the world to me. And thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.